The airline cancelled over 470 flights on Saturday, that is December 5th. More than 100 flights have been cancelled in both Mumbai and Bengaluru. Now, amid this chaos, fare prices have shot up, and Civil Aviation Ministry has taken a note of it and asked airlines to charge the fair fare. Now, the ministry has also directed Indigo to clear all pending passenger refunds without delay, and Indigo CEO Peter Albers has in fact apologized for the chaos, saying that the airline is rebooting and rescheduling its systems and expects operations to stabilize by the December 15th. As disruptions deepen, Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has blamed Indigo's mismanagement and has ordered a high-level probe to identify the accountability. SpiceJet MD Ajay Singh, on the other hand, has stepped in, extending assistance and adding extra flights to reduce the passenger inconvenience. Indian Railways too has also come to the rescue and added extra coaches to almost 37 trains and is planning special services to handle the passenger rush. And this is the latest update as we speak on December 6th.
मैम आपकी फ्लाइट क्या कैंसिल हुई है क्या है?
Yeah, it's got cancelled. Today's morning. In the morning we have flight at 5:30.
And when you have been informed by Indigo that your flight is cancelled?
No, actually my cousin, he works for the airport. So he informed us that our flight got cancelled.
सर आपकी भी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई है? आप
मेरी वाइफ की फ्लाइट बुक किया था रायपुर से मुंबई, वो कैंसिल हो गई। अभी जो मुंबई से रायपुर की उनकी फ्लाइट थी, रिटर्न फ्लाइट बुक थी, वो कैंसिल कराने में आया हूँ टू मेक श्योर कि वो दे गिव फुल रिफंड एंड अदरवाइज दे विल डिडक्ट फ्रॉम दैट. If you, first of all, they are not available online now.
तो ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल
नहीं है. Customer care and all, everything, nothing. They don't pick up the phone, nothing. They are completely collapsed.
Situation was very bad yesterday, but last night messages were flashed by the Indigo that 10 flights have been cancelled for today from Chandigarh. So the people have started not coming in big number. The people have started to come, but this numbers will be piling up as the day proceeds. So the issue is continuous, and the Indigo flights cancellation in Chandigarh are also similar.
When you see the picture over here at the assistance center, people are really not getting clear answers. These are people who are still struggling to get on their flights, to get answers. Some of them say that their flights are showing on time, but when they're coming at the assistance center, their flights are showing cancelled. We have mothers who have been waiting for days alone with their children. Ma'am, आप लोगों को कोई भी सहायता मिल रही है यहाँ से?
नहीं, हम लोग को कोई सहायता नहीं मिल रही है। हम लोग, मेरा बच्चा इधर कल रात से भूखा है, इधर कोई फूड, कोई पानी नहीं है इधर, और मेरे हस्बैंड की फिर से फ्लाइट कैंसिल हुई, रीशेड्यूल फ्लाइट भी कैंसिल करी।
आज भी आपकी फ्लाइट कैंसिल हो गई?
हाँ, आज भी कैंसिल हो गई हम लोग की।
People over here getting chaotic. They are losing their mind as well because they are not getting a clear answer. You can see the kind of situation. Ma'am, you're not getting any answer, any clarity from them?
मैं कैसे जाऊंगी? आप बताओ, मैं अकेले यहाँ कहाँ जाऊंगी?
आपको अदर एयरलाइन से बात करके टिकट कंफर्म कराइए.
This is the reality. This is absolutely different from what the advisory is suggesting. That situation is normal. You move away from the terminal and you come to the reservation centers. People still losing cool. People still not getting assistance. People saying that their flights, some of it showing on time, but when they are coming here, their flights are getting cancelled, getting rescheduled. They are still not getting any surety whether they will be getting the flights tomorrow or not.
मैं इस समय पर देखिए इंडिगो के विंडो पर खड़ा हूं. तमाम यात्री ऐसे हैं जो अपने सफ़र का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं. सर, अब लग रहा है कि कुछ चीज़ें सामान्य हो रही हैं, कैसे?
नहीं, अभी हमें पता चला कि हमारी सुबह देहरादून की फ़्लाइट यहाँ से कैंसिल हो गई है. देहरादून का पूरी बुकिंग थी. अभी तक हमको क्लैरिटी नहीं है कि कैसे है, और हमारा होटल बुकिंग और सब इम्पैक्ट. तो ये फ़्लाइट कैंसिल इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ लॉस ऑन द टिकट, इट इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ द होल प्लान ऑफ द पीपल. अगर आप देखोगे पूरे उनके प्लान ख़राब हो रहे हैं. बिजनेस साइड से बिग इम्पैक्ट पड़ रहा है. बिजनेस वालों को जो बिजनेस ट्रैवल करे तो स्टक हो गए. अब आप देखो, अब इंटरनेशनल इम्पैक्ट भी कैसे पड़ रहा होगा. अब सोच नहीं रहे, मगर अब इंटरनेशनल जो ट्रैवलर हैं उनके भी कैंसिल हो रहे हैं. उनका इम्प्रेशन क्या होगा इंडिया का? एक
आपको जिम्मेदार मान रहे हैं कि
ये दोनों गवर्नमेंट की भी जिम्मेदारी थी और ये एयरलाइन की भी जिम्मेदारी थी. 3 महीने का रोस्टर था. गवर्नमेंट ने रिव्यू नहीं किया कि रोस्टर उनका बन गया है कि नहीं. ये हुआ, ये 11th आवर में क्यों हुआ? तो ये एक्सक्यूज सिर्फ एयरलाइन भी नहीं है, गवर्नमेंट के एस्पेक्ट में भी है फेलियर.
बताए नोटिफिकेशन मैसेजेस कुछ
मैसेज के थ्रू ही आया है मॉर्निंग में 6:30 के आसपास में योर फ्लाइट फॉर टू देहरादून इज कैंसल्ड, बस दैट्स ऑल, नथिंग।
किसको जिम्मेदार मान रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट को कि इसने ये नए नियम इम्पोज कर दिए या एयरलाइन?
See, government is bound to make rules and regulations. It is the duty of the airline to basically accustom themselves as per the rules. But they have not accustomed, and government has failed to make them comply. Government ka failure is they had failed Indigo to basically comply to the rules they have made.
The ministry has been thoroughly engaging from day one. So in the initial, when we have seen lot of delays happening with the Indigo operations, then we have engaged with them. We have told them to take all the necessary steps to ensure normalcy within the next 2 days. We have instructed all the airport operators, all the people who are on the ground interacting with these passengers to be sympathetic, to be empathetic, to understand and to use the right communicative language, because there is a lot of frustration also because of the delays, and people have been waiting for a huge amount of time at the airports also.
Mustafa Sheikh joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this. Mustafa, a very good afternoon to you. What exactly seems to be the situation on your end, firstly? And the second question would be with regards to, have the passengers found any respite from the airlines at this given point, be it in terms of information, be it in terms of refund or rescheduling of flights? What exactly is happening there?
Well, of course, first the Indigo counter at Mumbai airport, for hours people are standing here. There are 2 employees of the Indigo who are working out on a solution. It's not only domestic but also international passengers who are affected at this point. Now, what's happening after you reach the counter? So we have one person here who had a flight for Kolkata. How much time you have to wait to get in the line, and what solution they have given?
Yeah, there's no solution given. It's just been cancelled, and that's it. And the message that I got earlier was like, I got a message that your flight PNR blank was cancelled. So that first was very vague. Then when I check online, it is still showing that it's confirmed. And when I check Indigo website as well, it's showing that it's confirmed. And so the only option I had was to come here and then there's this huge line over here. So I tried to do DigiYatra and upload, and it's working fine. It's only when I go to the gate that I see that, the notification comes in that, oh, the flight is cancelled, and that's it.
No refund or rescheduling, what is it?
Nothing. They just said they'll refund it, so that's all.
You had to go to Kolkata. You were from Kolkata?
No, I'm from Shillong, but I was going to Kolkata for some other work, so yeah, now I'm just...
now you'll have to stay in Mumbai till you manage?
Now, I have to figure out another accommodation. I got another flight on SpiceJet tomorrow. And then, now I have to,
try your luck.
Yeah, so now, they will refund, but then, we're spending a lot extra. I have another hotel booked in Kolkata now that, that's also non-refundable. So the question is, will Indigo pay everyone for all these additional costs that, we are incurred? So.
And this, the other thing, we have a family here who's from Punjab. Actually, it's basically they had gone for a vacation on a cruise, Goa. And then they come here, and your husband was at the counter for hours. He had to stand in line. What's the solution you have been given by Indigo?
Sir, it's not possible. पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा. हमें कुछ भी इसकी इन्फॉर्मेशन अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं है. हमने उनको बोला है कि हमारा फ्लाइट को रीशेड्यूल किया जाए, लेकिन वो रीशेड्यूल कर रहे हैं आफ्टर 2 days. तो 2 दिन तक हम लोग कैसे यहाँ पे मैनेज करेंगे, उसके बारे में अभी हम देख रहे हैं.
So she is here. You can see her husband is there. He's trying to arrange a hotel for the family to stay. Or this is the state. So they have been given a flight which is 2 days from now. So 4 people have to stay in a hotel, wait for the rescheduling to happen so that they can take back a flight to Punjab. So similarly, you can say that there are many such passengers. Madam, जाने वाली थी आप इंडिगो से यात्रा करने?
जी जाने वाली थी मैं. घर से निकलने से पहले तक सब रांची की सारे अपडेट आते रहे कि सीट नंबर तक लॉट हो गया, वेब चेकिंग सब हो गया, यहाँ आने पर हुआ कैंसिल हो गया. और एक बात और, इंडिगो से जब निकले हैं तब प्रॉब्लम हुई है. एक ऐसा बात बताएंगे तो आप लोग सरप्राइज्ड हो जाइएगा. देहरादून से हम लोग रांची से देहरादून जा रहे थे. क्या हुआ कि दिल्ली में से हम लोग को कनेक्टिंग था, लेकिन दिल्ली लेट से पहुंची और दिल्ली से देहरादून वाली पहले चली गई.
की हैं कहाँ आप?
रांची की हैं.
आप रांची, तो यहाँ मुंबई किस काम से आए हुए?
शादी में.
शादी आपको यहीं पे रुकना पड़ेगा.
जी. और
कितने लोग हैं आपके साथ?
मेरे साथ 3 लोग हैं और रिसोर्ट से शादी था, सब लोग अपने अपने चले गए, शादी खत्म हो गया, मुझे होटल लेकर रहना पड़ेगा। लेकिन पहले की भी घटना सुनिए, जब इंडिगो में चढ़ी हूँ कैसा सा कनेक्टिंग है रांची से।
These are the complaints, viewers, be it hotel accommodations, be it rescheduling updates, be it additional costs that people are having to incur because they're staying back at a certain city and not being able to travel, and the costs of the appointments they had in the city that they were traveling to. All of this is still continuing to be a problem after several statements coming in from Indigo.